Look at that, guys. We're about to smash that TP, headshot on that TP. We just did it. We just kicked out TP1. All right, this is Vix75. All right, in today's video, guys, I won't be talking about indicators. Rather, I'll be showing you guys how to use price action. All right, how to analyze the market using price action, technical analysis, pure price action, guys. Trust me, this is key. All right, this is key. You can use price action. You can approach any market using price action. All right, so price action will help you see the market clearly. Will have you see clearly what the market does. As you can see, we are milking Vix75. Me and my team, we are winning every single day, guys. We are winning every single day. There's no day that passes that we don't win. All right, there's no day that passes that we don't win. So I'll be dropping the link to this channel on the description of this video, so you join us and be a part of what we have here. All right, I'll show you guys how to analyze the market using pure price action, how to identify market direction. Of course, that is key. You need to know the market direction before you can think of making a decision, guys. All right, your areas on the chart where price usually reverse from, as you can see, we are on this right now, and I have my horizontal line. Okay, I have my trend line. You can see we're going right now. You can see the market is still moving in our direction. All right, and we are hoping for it to come down to this level, guys. All right, but then it's Forex, so anything can happen. So that's why we have our entries and our exit points. All right, so subscribe to this channel if you've not done that before. And all right, so we're still milking the market right now. You can see it's still dropping. It's coming down to our TP2. It's definitely going to come down to our TP2. All right, because we have proper entries and proper exits, guys. So let me show you guys how to do it quickly. All right, so what I do first is go to a higher time frame, the daily time frame maybe. All right, and I'll try to identify the direction of the market. Okay, and then permit me to switch to landscape, guys. So yeah, all right, I noticed on the daily time frame that the market was creating series of lower lows. You can see. All right, so I'm expecting another low at this level. All right, below the previous low, right? So currently price at the time price was at my resistance, and you know what happens when price is at resistance? It drops. All right, when price is at support, it goes upwards. When price is at resistance, it drops. All right, so on the daily time frame, price was already around resistance level, already pulling back downwards. Yeah, so I'm already convinced that the market is coming to this other area, and hopefully it's going to break this other area and then create another low below the previous one. Okay, so that was enough reason for me to think of selling, but that is not enough. That was some reasons, rather, excuse me, that was some good reasons why I should take the trade, but not enough reason. Okay, so I'll now switch to lower time frame, and I notice this trend at this point. Take notes, guys. I notice this trend, and I place my trend line here. All right, you see how I place that trend line? You can see I connected this, literally showing you guys how to place your trend lines now. So you connect this low with the other one, connected this low with the other low here, and then I noticed that price was already retesting that area. You can see it touched here the first time, touched it the second time, the third time it broke that area and then came back. Now this is a retest, came back to retest this area, and then the market is pulling back downwards. All right, so to look for an entry, I had to switch to a lower time frame, and I noticed the retest proper. You can see this is where I took my sell. You can see my sell already, and then my stop loss above the previous structure here. All right, I don't want to risk too much. Okay, so we are selling, and it's selling. All right, it's giving us massive profit at the moment. All right, this little retracement here is because of the structures I've seen around this level. Okay, so I'm still hoping for the market to pull back downwards, so I'm not going to close out yet. Although we've smashed our first TP, we've secured some profits for ourselves, myself and the VIP. All right, you can feel free to hit me up if you want to join my VIP team. It's very affordable. hit me up, guys. Hit me up. It's very affordable. I'm making it very affordable because I want to help a lot of people financially, right? So let's grow our financial status together. All right, just hit me up. Hit me up. I'll be dropping the link to my WhatsApp on the description of this video, so don't be afraid to hit me up, guys. And if you also are practicing this and you're having challenges, you can hit me up. Have questions, can hit me up. All right. So that's that. After price came to that level, I also look out for candlestick um patterns or formations, or of course to see what the candles are saying, because of course the candles is very important. And if you notice on the higher time frame, my candle was already telling me, the previous candle on the higher time frame, the daily time frame was already selling that, or telling me that the market is going to keep selling. All right. And then I switched over to the lower time frame, and the same thing, 4 hours time frame. These are two powerful time frames. These are two significant time frames. All right, so I saw this bullish move here, sorry, this bearish move, excuse me, this bearish move here on the previous time, the previous candle, and then that was another confirmation for me. And then I switched to lower time frames, and I saw the same thing. I saw that the market was still, the candles were still predicting sales. So of course market direction is bearish, price is at resistance, and then the candles on different time frames are saying the same thing, that this is going to sell. Trust me, guys, if you take, and yeah, my trend line says the same thing. So that those were many confirmations for me to enter the market, and I entered my full chest, and we are milking the market already. So take note of those conditions. Practice on your demo, practice very well. If you can't, of course you need somebody to mentor you, guys. Can enroll in any mentorship program around you, can meet anybody who knows how to trade better to coach you. All right, you can hit me up if you want. All right, can hit me up if you want. My mentorship program is very affordable also, so can hit me up. My WhatsApp number is going to be on the description of this video. So learn, you need to learn, you need to be able to analyze the market using price action. All right, you see there's no need for indicators here. I don't really care about what indicators say. Even if I had to use an indicator, it just be to confirm what I've already seen in the market, right? So if you understand price action, there is every chance you're going to be a profitable trader. So make sure that you practice price action very well. Make sure you understand it perfectly. All right, and then go ahead and milk the market to make profit for yourself. You can just use price action to approach any financial market. All right, be it stocks, be it crypto, whatever financial market, guys. So yeah, like this video if you enjoy it. All right, subscribe to my channel. All right, refer people who wants to learn. Also, don't take all this knowledge in by yourself, guys. All right, I created this platform because I want a lot of people to benefit. All right, so if you have your way to help me reach out a lot of people, please do it. All right, the market is still selling. Okay, there's still in some good profit, a lot of good profit. All right, so I'm just gonna end this video here. I don't want it to be very long. Practice and make sure you understand proper before you apply your live account. Peace, guys.